And I imagine this bird, they're as big as the sky, they're really big.
Mm.
But they rail across the sky fighting. It's a big fight. I think there's thunder and there's lightning, there's black clouds swirling around it. And the white bird, the good bird, wins and chases the other bird off. I don't want to see the other one, but it flaps off, you know, and disappears. And the other one goes back, and that's the whole moral of the story. Not the moral, but it goes back and it's wounded, it's diminished. It hasn't got the strength anymore that it had. So that's why we have to help it by thinking good thoughts about each other.
Yeah.
And that's the deal. Think good thoughts about people rather than bad thoughts. So that's the whole idea of the story, really.
Yeah.
And it spun around that idea I had when looking at them. Like I said to you kids, well, they're the unspoken words. It's picking up all the unspoken words. And the big bird swirls these words round and round. The bad words are heavier and they go down the hole. And then he goes out with all the other words in his wings and in his feathers and flutters them over the town. They go to the people. You know?
Yeah.
And that's just the magic, like BFGs. And that's how I've imagined the story setting up.